uncle. Uncle apa benar? Hope you're doing alright. I hope the Ramadan is treating you well. That's good. Alhamdulillah. Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope they were okay. Yeah. Hello, Mr. She's I think. Alrighty. Okay, guys. Yo, Albenyadi. Albe caring. It's good to have you guys again. Okay, another evening of Kacha demanding. Regarding Kayana Bankola ku tanya how things are moving. Ku kutol meneka fenti. Kuodol kacha dala. Kaya kuodol kacha. Along Gambia Lulung. Lulung is a new drama. So before now, and we can just recap some of the issues. Sometimes you cannot immediately like moya kacha nabe freshly. By la morsi so I don't remember please allow for your voice occurring. Give me a thumbs up and also help me please Alia share. If you can share the live so I see model alert, that would be highly appreciated. Yeah, I don't know please help me with that. Give me a thumbs up if the voice is okay, volume more better, I'll come more clearly. And then also give me share the program if you have time, please. That will be highly appreciated. Alan soon sane mole dole safo sali, dole safo parela kana safo sali. Salufan bekering, busy bekering. I'm sure. Thank you, MK. I'm so ajala modo fana be borom wala. But regardless, maro bi kibaro dole finjita. Me mobile barandi back, especially mol menango Gambia kuma de nyako de back Gambia jarre fon bela e Gambia kanu ilafta Gambia la kuma la dunia kono Gambia la barako ani Gambia la reputation niko reputation wala komi mo kamen fola ko niko kare ikamune follow mirala kodo wala reputation komi nyimbe siri nyoka njang sa fako komi mol kamen fola koda ko mada baga so hekilto mol la kodo mol kamen fola kodo niaje na kebal ka emphasize ka joko komi yeto ani yeto fo nyuko kare foka fola ko mo jawlam bang wala mo kitalam bang wala mo bandilam bang o kuma batal no moment ka fa ko nde bankia e men fa ndako tan tan o jamaja o kake ñu mo mal bari sifalet ha bari fofu ren yela yakanu yela wululal kanu wala ila la silo kanu ila banku ide yakanu e ka nie mo comme e ka men fola banku la ko la banku to e nyando kantala bakela bambam bak be dawra dunya kono ha num banku nyol temo ning akaraki ku graram bade when it comes to reputation when it comes to ning nakada come inside reputation of caring mola comme molto comme la banku to ya banku nyol temo the international community aka ala ko nyingina wajabito to na fatoro level ha it's much more dangerous, it's much more significant and much more impactful. So reputation is very, very important in anything we do as human beings, as society, but most importantly, sorry guys, I'm getting a call. Most importantly, what do you call again? Ila reputation as banko akumata back. Nada menye nying safo bifon bi kibari kija faran nimba nara finti mentada deng na fankola na airport wala karola wala keta munti ko iko pleno dol registrata na banko to yala pleno dol yo le register ko Gambia pleno lem zafo Gambia company letamu e be registering ntolle to yala wol pleno dol kana ngamre company mentamuti another ke wafi bankula men ka fa Belarus bankula mabe Russia ma fo la jela mon jafo ma fo la etoni Russia la be lañi kalante ala ni Ukraine keloni etoni Russia la be kala naka sa di same category zawe tele be kam killing so ye be la fadi sanction la dunia mol ye sanction la wol kam so be ka ku jama keno so budon nyim pleno me an ko be register Gambia to yala biri solata ila no bi jema ko solata pleno le ka pleno soto pleno ko kire problem modi enata company solata menna pleno wa fima another pleno wa fima but pleno to zabo they are registered under Gambia so wole dunia mo le akalmata ko nyim pleno wa fita nyim mol male and then ya ko nyin kisi inala ko Gambia la pleno la bar Gambia la plenente kabe ko biraketa budon la international journalist na dañi ñininka na membe jam Gambia la airline Gambia international GLM ila keba ka fay fansu boja akata fana ye kumole mo ya safele ko ya company ya safele ko ye ñim pleno lo ye wafele ibe wafi ka jela la Belarus ma so be de register kan ke register banku do so ndolbe sirin jam pleno be wafele to yala banku la men ko banku sanction banku la dunia mol ni banku be kelo la e man dara kankile ndol ka yole ka pleno wafi wol ma ban ndolbe sin jana man pleno je pleno man taran to yala ban pleno wafi tal ajele ñene ko ñing dangerous in it's very critical akuni dangerous tabak abi Gambia la reputation o batan na bake kandum sai dunia mol ibina Gambia jibila nyaado la nyama mente kala nyaanyi mati mente mbi watila ate mo kar la fanam ba janem bi jam falo kataado bake bi ngani plan nyami kadu ni swa be kere niya comme yeku woni just ya ko woni fo drone tritre rek mol la ka tra duna fi jana mol bu ka fo be kere sometimes mol bu kanyum fo kunna fe nyam fo lo waye nyimbe kala munat na be mol ki defaran la tenen teng so nyun ko banko la reputation no comme banko to munan na banko to kumata adima bangola kumaya anaka wala kuma is very important to protect wala na jani mbe nyim fe laftala bi ka munge ka comme ni ko reputation no iko to mune ay mune fo muna kumati na commencer na history la kabinen jawra jamano ajela foka jina Gambia be nyaming janning ya jame kudutake Gambia be nyaming bri ya jame kudutake Gambia be nyaming ya jame jamano koto Gambia be nyaming bring Adam Baronata anin Gambia be nyaming bi so ntodi ma commencé à kabring jawara jamano fo biya bidaming so pour mo sa understand ning banko to keta aka mantara kul men samanang nin to fanan diata aka ku dimal men fanan dialla ya nyimmo yo faham sai nyinko banko la to ala reputation no ni ha for saying a sense make but ni de mo fo molye ya for ha predo na radang aketa ba banko to gela prampara ko wa so munen to gela so ni to gela so what so wala no kachal men de keten in public akumar bake kamol hakilo ka yirwandi kamol understanding warandi so bayla saying once you understand these things then nie moje menke akabila banko to tinyala ikela daba kudu setele na ikela but ni mo mamfro level oto hani ko kuru ninki abke saf bu wol malo ning abe men tora kanya abe men tinya kanje imalo so manam reputational damage reputation tinya comme to tinya bankoe manat na reputation fana kuma bata bankoe and munen the consequences wala ko na man tanya man man katiku aka munen man tora kusifa lega reputation wala ko nga fanya at the beginning wala e toti adima bang akuma niko buba ya inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi niko gine bisal inna lillahi drogo niko te ko inna banku kare tenente afela sain alkaje gine bisal la bagaso bi kabona gambe jang gine bisal e fama da banyari be ajala gine bisal ila sukuru lambang ila mani lambang ila jabal lambang abe kana gambia la gine bisal kilo gine bisal fana poro bijele ha asalan ko poro be fana yala bari la bagaso be duli lambang jabal lambang mani lambang abe kana min to gambia la poro be ya ndoni bisa manja fanyola munat na kulo bu kata eta bisaw ila kulo jinije ila mano jinde ila sukuro jinde bisa dungule adum munat na bisa kul bina ila mano be jila gambe jane ila sukuro ji gambe jang ila tulo ji gambe jang yana ya boni jang e boda cross e motol ta ya sama fo bisaw munat na kulo bu kata ga sembe bisaw yo wala mundi repetition itole tinyata mune to tinya kaburo nino la jamano nino vere men sepun ko sadio ya lande lo president ko kaburo jamala la banko ke da drop banko de ka fala e nako state colombiano le nyin sara america ro sai kila kuno sama na jifo bisaw ya jindi je bure na bisaw ta kala launching party ya drogo ha fi dunia ka robela dunia sai la poro sai la poro sa ya sanction ya kele blacklisted as narco port drug poro say ñu kulun tiol menaka ñi mano ñu jabol ñu fon sama du ñakaro bela ñu foro ñu fon tay wol mu kulun men ko be register bank kulun men do Angleterre ci falam America ci falam Holland ñu Europe France Germany ñu kulun be register wol te sonna bisaw yela hajotinya ita sonna bisaw yela dunia tinya ila company tinya so wala kulun ibikaso ngayta sembe bisaw ñiko bisar ka hani nogo akoro stara bisaw bulu kamano sang akoro stara bisaw bulu preka tulo sang bari kulun wolte sembe la je amanke poroti je poro bije le doko bije masingol bije famo be bije men se kontina jinino bisaw bari kulun wol buka hani kata je because munem itole tinyata so ñiko to tinya mansani mansatema banku tema to tinya ala hakku je baki dolda mal sare ko den saba kare musul den den ay wati bare mbe janne ha bari mo je mbadu ni mbadu won hana du dan sidanga keten bare nim banko to tinyata anin to la to tinya dol individuals aman killing ila level man killing aka dangerous bakela bisaw fele bi they are losing lots of money millions of dollars every day transporting ibe la troko samala nakana nyim Dakar na nyim poro de jang ibe ticket takal ibe motol tala ibe bola silo kanyala ibe be bata banku do be torala munatina banko kera banku kurumati ila email ila mansanyol ye bulobula fo drogo ila banko ta ni mono na ni bandi ya ila banko ta say dunia mol ko na kulumatu ta nyim banko ñinem banku tiñata ñinen to tiñata ngalam say ni nga foden sen albiba faham la yo ni nga ñing contexte gel la banko la to dia ni la to tiña anafa ment ani nga ka mol mantura mena ni o faham say bi men kara ñu kulunti la kuda ni fon de ni kujemal men kara banko to men ka banko to tiña zina o kaja ko nyin ko farab ngani kacha men kada kulum register be kulum tila me register pleno me register gambe to wala ay na banko absina banko to nyano nyami fenken alta understand mo jamata understand why it's important. But this is, I give a class example as Bissau. Now ngana follow history jibe na banko to nunto anin sa be daming jawra jamano ya jamano 1994 wol falenta baro nata ya sanyu moni luluke safula moni fula baro franata so ni stage yol bi bena fon su stage lam gambia la toro anala nokasa anala dia abebe fula re nyokon because of reputational damage. So we start bad reputational stuff like good reputation nyima wala mundi to dima muna na fati say nga commencé mala jawara bi katabe jam fala demande ali mako ya ali share ni mele be lamura la share bay mo jama sa akalmu dano ko mom taynya ma spend so bi katabe jam fala demande albe mbala rek kandum ñing kacha kuma batal be fen dañer sim bala kono de be time dañer sim bala kono be ku gar bala kono ni gamino be yalo membe kiren nabi bi nga kibaro men moy be wulal bi nga mbulal kundo ha bar so bar pour ka fo level de fosi mo hakilo yirwandi mul yalo membe kiren den sina faham ñu ko ñim membe kiren ni ba kala la ñami ka bonno ku naja jawra jamano banko to diata Gambia buñata Gambia keta mo kulumuti sate kono dunya kono jawra ko wuli jam mo Iran ñol ni Iraq ñol be fon wala kelo li fon la jawra ko wuli kata peace meeting fo Iran fo Iraq bankol jana dunya bankol men ko wala sembo ko Gambia di bake bari buña ben kan dunya la Africa la Human Rights Commission wuruma wala headquarter be Gambia la hajal buña sotata banko kan anafa kita muneti bi afele na foninke be fakam bakono mul kata baku e kulungo ka kupi kana mo tannani ni fenka fa mamme jang sa defala badam mo jamba jele mo 41 katon 30 something people e be ko kata tuba hudule e ka fa bakono okay atul men be la moira la meni encore 1994 maybe am atre imang kiba bake 1994 lumen no 1994 bake la Gambia man visa soto ani England ani Ireland ani Wales ani Northern Ireland ani Scotland in folder ika tikito kundu ita bakwede kering famfata kering desert ita fa desert Agades atudum fam place de fala branco no Chad jana na Niger ibe fala je hani ikati kido kundi eta na passeport kuliyata banku jurumo la comme wel banku jurumo la be jama ko ikati kido kundi streta ita gam ita imam visa ni diman sola fenna scholarship de banna Commonwealth scholarship a jurumo li badi la mo le bida karola ni dara banda isi bunya so banda yala passeport tan dawda Gambia passeport a bunyata adna banko dol nyaago de Gambia fe comme like Nigeria yo sifalte bade wol to tinyata le bandiya wol tinyale banko tinyata kala bandiya siara banko fala bo sa dunia mol ma hanyela passeport e kera banko sembe malam ha etole sembo so Gambia etole ko so Gambia etole na flo so Gambia itolle fanan atulum fa itolle fanan akul sembo bar Gambia de ba dunya karola bunya be Gambia kan katambi tolti na reputation of jawara jamano kono was at very 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 high level. So Commonwealth bije scholarship will be sotala ye invite lalto dawda antara je benin bunya na telecommunication was number 1 in Africa. Company kedlo kanano jam ika company soro jam wotumo Shell ka me ning essence company ka me Shell ni lo kanaje ka operation ka Gambia jam because ilata Gambia lale na reputation no amanke bandi bankoti company kendo sina hajala mo kendo sina ina esero Gambia jam ila fakata ma ila fakata stories la ibe masakunda do ko ila fakata karawla kata fon ko la de kata ñi jihadi wulo ko no te fala je bita Senegal ibita visa ñu lay be balla Schengen lay be keleten ibita bi batal ak sate ko bela wotu moti je ka tikito kuntu yebbu ita la story la ñi pare burne nasi ha banko man to koleare manko ibe fam fale kata badal kata bakon mo kemolo farjang las ñi sante mi la dama wotu mo jande 1994 si atolme la morola wotu mo ka tikito kundieta ñing say ñi ngeen fa jang mo do wala te man ken la fa ñi kam na fa de gambe jak wona na soto ñi banko yes asaro jall tikito ko la kundieta la hajola mo montra nafsere ñi batal ñi problème mo ni volde wala mun de reputation kendo ko wala dila so mbo kono 1994 July 22nd kamana din woro lulu wulda 29-year-old kids wulda bandiol e bankota e comme so yarolete e bankote ko va gambe falinta ngari mambala exactly kamera kunun nem na konyor je talen na boys na ñun ko do mo ko to kelten biriba announced the lumen na Angleterre bina visa bina dun Angleterre in Ireland temol. Ireland was the last I think last country ngamra ndolo ko nyade je pasoro ni ndima ka fa lamboy na be lamora ba fulene lamboy nyolo last adu abe dokol immigration le wala fom immigration dokul albe you know hajal wurmo immigration dokul ani wala fo ko take la fule na ko nyin kana visa dun mo be krim baso ko mara talen ni wurmo no ko take be dun finti la passport be taf all you need is passport, pocket money, 50 pounds, whatever. Just ita. Telling them do that. What want to go there in grade 7? What's going on? I just had to be mobile never country. Could I have a boy? Time what other would move more for Montreal, America, come to a brute time. America visa bought on like her, but it will visa for now. A couple of idea. That I embassy 90% Ikadi Bella. Yes, school apply a tough I-20 tough idea. What more do what a care? But Angleterre, no calamity pap. Lumena code. It was like few days before Mulberry Rushla. Fly in Trala. What can last? Jabrat had respect what had Bunyat had Bandio Nat. Burundoyan, what was July the ending them for that June, July, August, August 1994 was the last time Gambia bunya banda reputation ko rapaci budun say bandiol nata denum kulubalol imam kulon imam fellon imam karang imam dunia lo ha ñem tam ko firibit ha budu ya commence dilo sifa bebe dunna yi bori tata libya imen sanction warade darafi bandio tado fana ya o fana samana na la green bugani baba jomñol ajal yigina la green bugol nata ha ko revolution malo nyaadi primpar fon bedi ñokono ibe compagnie mala jane be ñi sapere be ñi ñapele jane gamtel yafase jane fon bedi ñokono itele momori nimma itade gamtel ma wala reputation o dunia ko do mo be tenne bakar jaabe tek yo fadi gam to bandalan ko be blomata ko ñine man kende e ko commonwealth primpar yo fana bedi ñokono fon frendi ya ma ya betinya e habuta e gridita il lafta famala bari hakilo bakatam Gambia la hala ko commencé en 1994 budu banko soronta mo be ciande jang fe mon na soto économie soronta fe mo be da star ko kolea mani buro star ka sele fo be star ka sele fo be sele kan mo be sakri jangi man findino budu findo say on ara ke jihadoti life and death situation aka jare mo le nyinna budu me ka pass ika ticket o sare ticket kamala ticket la am ma ngi dem ticket ono visa ko be ka visa homay dum be ko makilum fala nim ke bado be jangi be la moro la resise na be la moro jang aba fala len ala ko Botswana ndoni independence de same yala la Botswana ngani men fala te men kera Gambia la non visa ka kundeta mo be ngani ka safula ticket ko kundeta mo be ngani ka visa ndoni Botswana jol bebe ni enjo kanano ani Zimbabwe fana at some point Brem Mugabe ya fanya manilo ufana la ko tinyata but Botswana on ko larbe ndo ko la jala la nyinka hani bi Botswana dingol ngelon ne friends of bembule mi be Angleterre ibuka visa nyine. Yeah, one of the few countries in Africa, menkata America and in Angleterre, tikere ko na kundi tel hajo. That's it. Hansa alba enjoy kan dol nule independence of the same yalla. Menekata. Alni mes independence of the same year. Albeo free visa soto England. Sangi taworo later. Atol tati nyada sangi mwani fanko atol ta beti nyada sa do be sirinjal be fakanja wol hansa yalo ka tigere kunde kata Angleterre kana be ka visa ni nka yesi je sangi fula sabana diete yemur na bak yemur ko tanka diete nyami moti batan la mota wala hay université la taninte no mun keta mo finkilo wala be fana mo fungolte fana mo fungote ngan independence of 65 e fana independence of 65 hansa will be la banku dia enjoy kan ikata e holiday England na diete nyami visa bu ke batandi ya ticket o kunde na ila passeport o kuliari dunia mo le bunya ntolo keta lafin ntolo keta jela fonte na dinno bita badal bi defam fala badal ngita jela fonte dunia ko mo mu da fenti mo falenta to na reputation wala keta kapachi wala tiata gameno ala ngal si ngal to nya fam fay banko bla da bandir bloko no dinni merol mam fellon banko dum site na afiki yani hasidi yani kalabanteyal karambalo karanna pirpirol karannal men ko karanda fo se kaydo nyimi dinni merol yi muda sanyi woni ko no dinni wol yi muda ke dandini yi ke jang nganse ndolde ye dokundi ye ku ye kende ku jawalla e hasidi ya duni mbako kan ya jama nyata bol ne kabin 96 ya bedi nyoko abe nyoko nyosin kolo bosi carte kala tan kar lañente tribalism kar mala fi carte tan kar bala fi carte tan abe jahasita inara sinkuna jang 22 years ha ñina keta so nga jawrata faale to diya men di molla hansa nga be men di kan bankol men kam e Botswana yo sifalde respect ko ni bunya be bul ne men independence do same year gambe di mo be men be do ko banko ka right na Botswana ne ale ko le ba fulana an ko la reste be njela ala ñin ka Botswana so ndol kalante yani kalabante yani kenyante ya na banko be tinyata mbul na deputation tara tinyata so ñinam history buru o rebide son tinya mbolo kodo nsabo to tinya ya jamme ya bedu nyokono fa wa kasi yani iyu nyula kanyo sabaka fa ala chicken chain na de rakana fendina ala kana bo salan ko sa tinya ta bulle ha so bring alan ko sa tinya ta ya jamme na ra nyati limbi mal nyala kan Hussein tajidu nyol tajdin menta mun jena tajko food ngala be jolon you know terrorisol Hezbollah terrorisol wal dunia be ko nyini wala ka Hezbollah support business wala karola ka kesu ko do la pour ka terrorisol ay duma fanan sama nan Muhammad Basi bran ko sa dunia atinya da bula nan dunia mo le ko di nyolale bran ala gambe bula nyi masi bu dingo kono kanyum bandi konko do sama nan kesi na gambe jang Muhammad tajuden dunia be ko nyine abe sakire gambe jang ay tele tay ko la subhanahu wa ta'ala ko abori de ko kay Muhammad Basi ta sikana Hezbollah la finance hayna yasur America sanjelu aw fana sika sama jang ay gam petrol ndi wala yimbe gamene be siri camera yentul foyen do kula bang ma understand brava faja hasidia ni hasidia mo son mo ko na be kejet ha bandul si fara fa hasidia wala ndola ha jogati nya han nga dimbaji ja nangono kar sita bat so abi jang gamino kada kada taj ka fa ma ngedam taj ko ngoy so na lela mina o taj ko tunu ali mborosi ko bari kala mota baliya ani hasidia budu say ngan ko di dunia la budu tarere sol say gambe kita wala la su bate be sirin jang dunia la ko be sirin janne ibe be so kala jang dunia la ko be so ke kan janne ko den la be duna drogo be duna fombe be duna gambe jang ya ka saka fala ko ndela bank be alala bang yalla ma alala bank drogo jankere transit point late ko tira wedna bita ha dina abe jaran jana abirina Europe ila million soro jika ha ndila ala bank Allah be fania ha umal bala kuma sifal subur dunia be si ibe nyaka sala gambe koleata mbo kolea kono nyimbe muna sabumma to kuya bankola to tinyata alla petroleum be wala bulo kono gam petroleum Mohamed Bassi alla food imports Tajudin Teresol ha budum abe sura kan dinko kan dum dinko kon biro kete rek budum dunia company kendo be borjan Shell itata all these companies be itata hajo budum sai gambe yambe company na jan sai abe bandi company alhamdulillah ngade company jana apam le malo ngala ke to malo commission company man ko be ni fon to you don't even know who these people are be na rasi gambe ja abe mun bandiya sita ko rek ngajira bankol sia gambe pam urmo gambe ja bankol stana charelam tros bank mala ni mindo sita rek bank tang anim fula ko gambe cioko mena farantel mer nañu bankol bi ja ak bo fana jëlal bi ala ko bi kata mera domon ali ñu share ni me chance de place ala share I want people to really so ya jamme bu lañu dinko la kono ay ndin dunia ko duñu la abi mol nenna parce que alon ko say silata je ko tanki ay ñu garafi mo be wota bo garafi ko camera ko wala won bandalan ko be anu dina bo be kelo la hana la essence bu ko wa fe no haja yo BICI bank voilà exactly commercial bank jana kire bang ama hani bank lulu si wodumo ha banko na rasia bank tangani fula ya be sira be nyime na relation dila abe bandi ya kanyim bandi company samanan ka gambe to betinya sayan dola passport o keda fufulete budum mbije so comme nga fa nyame jawara ya dada to point melan ko ntu abunu mala katike to kun ngara Angleterre dunia e mbe bunya ya na 1994 abe burka fat Angleterre ye bulo moto la jamanu nyol labe la boda soro mo na passeport ka zero anara la banka ka bandiya jaay ka malbala jaay kan fo sanyi mo ne fula sa en 2016 sita nganam fay Adama Mamadou Barrow 20/20 ngana blo jamano kon ha wala number 3 number 1 mune reputation de munen to diara din to ku yare ngolo di final jang aka menke mo wala nyaaji gide bisa fele jabe halakirim bi hani mburo baka dum no bisaw foño baka dum bisaw duluno baka dum bisaw ila poro la rinjel poro nafatala amanke poro tiñaral amanke komi bas masngol tijede hani bar kulwol nyama ma ñin international kulwol man dof iko ko kulwol samba mindo bisaw ibada bankol men kay register en bankol men kay american Angleterre ni wolbe ko kela because the South is designated as what? A narco state. Drug banco. Totinyata banda. Ila passport tita, man correct. Ila visa correct no sore nola. Banco totinyata, company kendol tina, bank kendol tina. Budusa ila dongoro la mano everything bikanami do Gambia. Ye trokol ta yana jang ye jihadis loka, ye baras loka, douaniol jo, Senegal jo, Gambia jo, ina bagaso na futa Bissau. Ubata be do. Niya ke kuno. Dombe kulumina dengem ayna fola poroto ay lo wala bagaso jindi ya jindi tel hajono munat na bisa manyin keno to kuya oto nalla banko bisira kanyin kuma danjiro sinsfala moy mole pleno samana nga register penketeng mole rocher oil samana nga aduni jam you know mole rocher oil duni jam prim param be very al silada albe me enjoy kan dale si gambe ya poto eta diere nyami hansa fi sere no bada bar billahu na futra level do jak albe akki jamu se bola so nyimu ku gran balde sai nada dum Adama Barrow la jamano ko ya jamme ya tinyala pour 2016 ko alhamdulillah rabbi nga mosoro sai me ngo at least ha sinanga ko dada ko ha ngo sai nga mo kudo sodo mensina 2016 be carte fermé ka banko ka senendi ka jankundi ka cool clean up haye ya jemala kalantela mini big for fay banko toti nyaay banko la relationship lo ber nyaa ay bon fangol time bon ko mo la melu la beto ko say ngam mo so say alhamdulillah rabbi amen adama hino kairo baro e ka fay nyame prayna sim kuna ja ay makoy kana banko senendi ka jankundi ka murni back to respect ko anin bunya gambe mel non non sa ngi tan sa ba commande sa ñum woni wala commande something like that jawara jamano mi an ko na passport ina si wuri jambi e dum pleno ko mo de ngi kala fenna because gambia dum wala bunya level bodo tumo jawara jamano ngon adama sindi wala jam ya bandi ya na la bandiya ya dafa adama wo dama fate man tara cool kalamata bang fate malon gambiel malon kamen fon fate I don't think I sincerely don't think adama nana ka sila fon kamen fotan kamen crossé fate fon la banku diya kano fon fut nana foto level de kasi ka kumbo gambia reputation be nyami anin kala fika dada yalon nganilo ka doko ge ha nganio kuma da bag ese kara nyaaw nya nyim pied de ni nation sol bitare blu ning anganio mantre pour ka ko itake non so mbenyin am even am mbenyin karo kan fo arma fo nana ka sile ndeka men fote na repetition gambia la foro to la foro yani fo de fo nyim fo ka adama fo concert le ban fo nyim fo la kule men ko ka ta fo sino baland le ban kan ni wala no je moy adama sindi January 2017 ikate fay ya jang balanta Senegal nata Guinée Bissau Nigeria nata kodi kona Guinée Ghana nata okay Senegal ni ñing banku do fa na mo na pour kana mako so ku mane do nata ke 2017 ngama da February no March ma fo wala kabira kalita direct ala tama follow ever as president na hakilo baka mbala hakilo samagan 2017 atol mene be na waroja mundum adama la tama follow as president moli yeta e karte faye iman sino bankul menare yesindi ye mako e fosita Senegal lamba Ghana lamba Nigeria lamba itebe force tamo kela ita man da dafa mindo Denis Sassou Nguesso Congo Kinshasa atata volta tumal be sir woto ka fole Denis Sassou Nguesso wala nyamata ya jamede wala dictator ya sembo woto ya jamede wala kreso bande ya jamede way momen kalafili ya jamede o kalafili la wo tobe ko yare nyamen dunya ko no ya jam hana ko ta man foto wala bandiya level man foto ya jamede level to wala siyo bande ya jamede si nyaaweli kelem way men ke ya jamede akela ko do mugul woto ya jamede mugul tapale ya kodo e be sirin kongola na fulo kan ay criminal ha yo Brazzaville Congo Brazzaville exactly yalo fele Congo ni Kinshasa na jana Brazzaville yo Congo Brazzaville dani Sassou Nguesso ite ya jambe bondi jang ye bandiyo bondi jang ye criminal bondi jang mo fala ko tinyala menga mo le fon sunya ka kubeke bandiyo dunia be la bandiyo ye ite na wule te man na ta kata mo jibe man ta Buhari jibe o mi esindi kada Buhari la pleno wala ngara o mi ya jame ko Nigeria Air Force la pleno be ko wu bañu suñu kini wu fula ya jame ko al mbulangata ko di yo ite manta nakasa Buhari jibe as a democrat fellow democrat to another democrat imanta Macky Sall jibe as a fellow democrat to another democrat imanta Kufo jibe Ghana it's la first visit ever itara mentole Denis Sassou Nguesso Congo Brazzaville dunia la bandi headquarter Ngo bengo moy sita nga me news ga JTS ngada ami boy dañu le play le kono anala mo le ko kata mala mun la je fata je ko imana kunna fenya fofo no nyin kata mem fo la je. Nobody can give us an official, you know, like I said, explanation nyin tata mun la Congo Brazzaville. Ay ñu ala mo haftan mané dola la kalu baga ñoo sifal ni fo mala ndu ma yolta Philippe ibira itara je hon mo mala fo ye mun mbir sita ke je mota fa la ñi mitu won ku na fa ñom ñete bilateral what not ndol ni Congo man ñoo so fen na manam fen sign we have never done anything. Ite na sede ko kota mun la Congo Brazzaville iko bala ma de ako ha iko ni sakule community la mi tajje Gambian community malo nonsense. What Gambian community? Ite ni impossible kering mene fam fede impossible karala mene na de gade ko be kera Senegal na be faren diaspora Gambian ko ite man ta mol jibe ite kota ban ite yaajame boni jang men siyo bande yaajame fama yaajame mama wala jina nyaamar yaajame de nyaawil kin wala budara yaajame wala mo faada yaajame de o men sunya yaajame da sunyala ite sungo bay ye mo fala bay ye mo kuro bay iman na ta first place fo mo kuro ya Gambia alal hakilo buru kam baket ñi wonda tama sekenet mo kendo te malo nyama hani fo den nanaka concern Gambia la repression dunya kono Gambia toke ake isonno mo fange fo ka pare ka ino akumi ake sula wallahi o man nyana ke tila simfanya folote o tripo kuja mala keta je nyun ko mbabe fro jambi si mané bari simen sommaire national rek ko kayra tripunte mo kende tripunte men kera je fanan ku nyimante yalla be mo abem understand la man sal ni katama dunia ko no e ka special treatment ko la dila man sala pleno e bika saj bika comme protocole la bije bika cour comme ke sama immigration kila cour kila bagol jibe kam mbula ko tenente hani man sala pleno ko mata meni ya ñomo jang ya kuru sun bulano pleno kono mo mala do pleno fo me pleno fo luasi malo ro ma ko na sikudo la mala na kodo fo be dai mala na kodo nobody even know na bank so how our finances were atole kodo fo be na kadany pleno haya fonto lamba fo modele haya ba modele pleno ta malo ya kuru sun bulano pleno kono ya samba pour ka mon soto immunity presidential immunity on that plane. Même si plane kono plane ne même nan Congo. Kana salon ko Congo abere mbaga solen ha mbadu no bijele ibe nyin kalas kala solla ha de biseso sifabe nyin diamond biseso nyin san biseso nyin karakara bulten nyin diamond biseso nyin fonten hajal ibe atudum fa ibeka wasifa leke sometimes it's difficult pour ka baga kila fongol fitindi because jama ñen duma fongol lam ha ma so ben la rek ha na bari ñawa bidi mi rek ñen diamond dilo ñi hani ñen sana koro kara para mo ni fongol den ya faham la sometimes they have this bagaso kata la rebuje ani ko di jamal e bige fitindi no ika smogul ni ko ba samale ni bank lay ñaaw ma fa hajal ika be arrest so you have to find ways to duma selon fon so malon ni ko be fala jang ngalon ko ndra subo mo wolti hakilo nakasa mun njaado karola ha ko dara brata jani wala mitta ko ha mañaadi community ngapari ya be du ñokono je e pare de serena ni ko manna kabir wolo lan ngalan ko ñinto ko kula ani ngara dami ata nyala ngalan ko e parete le kebalal molle a soran melan ko ata fam bonele bulu bije nga moy ko bokar boka jawre kido samana bije nga moy ko factory lo ko dol kadu ngambe jang malika manan dami banko stataka du ñokon dola la reto be sella be jele kala fo même fo be kering economy malon sai economy bulna so malon mol jita namba gambe jang kalil waga nyoko na fripet fuda trading wata mo la ngame ko fuda trading nata wole mente lo kote ning foreign ni fon be control mano ni sukuro ni keke podol ni fon banjulo e por ba digal e warehouse ba digal e yala fonko la por je fat ko be jasi mo man adama suute ko tanke mbije ngaja tar umra la makala umra do la nga fenke jolo ra ko ma kalilu bage jakoma kalilu bage senegal di hon anina diplomatic passport abelo adam baro koma umra kono maroko watango lante ngalan ko kata damen especially ani usen dabu nyol yudi pinjol tang bo man kan dola silat dola talon ka gambia murone gambia be namen jawra jamano kono respect ko bunya bir usen na mun follow ke ay murundi min do commonwealth ay bunda yele gambia gambia be you understand you know Gambia be a fan nafa scholarship wol nada ko wol nada ya faham so this is these are the things that lafta kameng introduce no ka Gambia murun back to the international stage bara tebe no menna atala reputation or atala silul we are far away from this. So taman sere jawol latala num ndole man hakiltu nje bake maybe na crossro man futan nje bake do fanen sa maybe a mata comme in Congolese rek Brazzaville so what but the deep underlying issues many bide mo jama understand no wala ko fundamentally ñing keo cool sike jang ate mian ko Gambia reputation se problème so je ata jela komi ku jawlem amanke komi like afo mo jawde but komi cool la dangerous so mamara te bo understand wala ajala this is the issue cool starter world mbije nganame ko diplomatic passport scandal fender diplomatic passport ya de mojrum wala ñin tubabu to katrela ni Eastern European ol jana Eastern European to sere je bak ni Belarus ko ni Kazakhstan ol karab a berin scandal fender be ñaajala diplomatic passport jurmol fendita amamme ye tangara ñi nga 2017 en sande mako ka jël di diplomatic passport jël di la ko wili saba 3000 plus diplomatic passports wala boda Gambia wala di umoleja umoleja many diplomatic immunity comme diplomatic status require pour ka di la jamaja banko do ka kala lañu top businessman ka di wala lañu musicien no lañu fawol tang pour ka tamo so na di bulu bari ndol umoleja wili saba 3000 according to Mamadou Tangara biring député bu moy ñinenka ñine be kéré ja 3000 diplomatic passports no fanam faale même bo kunna mol bi de dunya kono bandi yolam e dunya be yaay they are wanted everywhere. They are wanted in here, South America, wanted in Brazil, wanted in blah blah, wanted in blah blah blah. Do be could you them come China jana, sometimes no Korea or something. Ikalafi ka kudol kela kudol mabo. Let's say places like Cayman Islands. Because dola nyena funko na passport jibe. No, we are part of the Commonwealth. So banko nyabije come like Bahamas, you know, Barbados, you know, the Cayman Islands, and St. Vincent and Grenadines, and St. Lucia. These are called tax havens. Mulkana like keda. Ul banko le manko la sa Cayman Island. Molio le men wala ki la banko ki la banko le pour molina na kulo mabaje. You loi that I mean ko la kulo na baje modul ta, you know, access nola. You understand? You know, like the Panama Papers. Nkaya amere sambalo scandalo nyi utumo. Ya jeme jamano. Iko $900 million wala ba yunto Panama bank account. So yes, so ika Gambia passport nyini nyina because maybe Chinese passport na yobulu ito kenola because America be tracking everywhere yo ni banko do let's say Russia or something like passport na yobulu maybe ito lwa to di le preta account yo le nyin keman nyola no classified but all we are part of the Commonwealth of Nations. The passport is qualified to go to Commonwealth countries. Yo, so ndole man fallo man na poalo, but the model na value lana. So it's what because we are part of the Commonwealth. So yala mo ya jama no Commonwealth. So mantraje. So bandiol itanang kambaka pour kana passport nyene parce que anafale. Ni ata evidam e ko was da malam. So but very murder back to the Commonwealth, so we see this spike. Fat 3,000 square if I'm dita because bring dunia mala kala direct ko do tiyo ni fon dañi Chinese wala ni bandi konko dunia kono e be ko vripit be na ko dibal jo jang na mol kana passport kan kadi le kata be dunia be yalan to yalla woni mona fana benta Semlex nara ye na passport contrat ko fana di company hajala ye na passport contrat ko fana di mo la ka xamé Semlex ya family wo Semlex 2018 ma fola 2019 ma fola ye wol fanan tale ye fenke ye sanction so no it may sanction the FBI ye official raid no in Belgium because there are several countries banko jama bi je operate daming you understand ye nyim bandi yal ke jele ka cash use ka passport sang hajala Chinese wala na ko di badila ye passport tay la hajola so ye accuse wala on many countries ka operate them in Africa so FBI tara ye official raid in Belgium ya faham boy do fon arabo lam Semlex ibe headquarter in Belgium le bari manke arabo lam bandiol lam yo so hanu wo mo be lo ko do ndara ni contrat ko sign hanu wo so dina ngol be siri be jibela bangumi anko company mi anko bandi company lam e ka passport wa fere ka kulke irita da kala contrat ko wala inyama ma kuma kala ye company do solo dina ko man son kadi mel mune jara bendi ni company di Semlex alors kule bije so fanan keda diploma de passport tar nyimbe be mo la bloco no men ka gambe nolte ajel albije ko tanke ala moy ni waden ko ne ko eko mo wili saba wala America 3,000 people men nyanta selena eko gamelo la ba to bi alan ko mbe nyolon janne natata no mo wili saba belo America gamelo men nyanta murna jang sambata mbe star ka wuri jang mbe baadin soro la man ko abo mo wili saba ko bante sobita ko wili saba amake gamelo damate ha gamelo betala jël nak bari na passeport be men bulo ko no iko mo gamelo li wala be siala je bari problème be dami America mo lo America magni lon ka fa ha ite mambo kiyang mambo jana imbo brasere boda Nigeria boda Cape Verde bari Gambian passport be bulu so officially ite mo Gambia de holte sa yola ne kon na masa kunda eta ye ta na mol ye jibe ye identify ye verify ko Gambian lo ko tilta wara yoldi la 60 days ni mo kare de Gambia ban Trump la ban fa de Gambia ja so asalan ko bandalan ko yalla ku kalmdal ka na bandi yang kamen tamari jang ka passeport wa fi mo men ka manyana wa filema diploma de passeport na ni regular passeport ka di banku do wala man ka jandindi fela murtana say America ko ngaranna mol bo nyoko say mbudo ada sana man sekondar bu ka fo ya Dr. Sina dan Dr. Cisse follow on coffee time ko ya 60 days yolo dila pretend na mol identify mo wuli saba gamen ndey sobe ntelata lako Gambia mo wili saba mantra siri America menan ko nyanda ka sena ke deport hani I really don't think so ya faham so ko mbo nyam muniketa ni mo wili saba who are they abelon na bari bitajel so ni dara budu America fana America nyamma wol ba fulena ambe keri so itola say tala bari sala fanyi ni mol passeport be mene bulo kono kasi esitano asikeno etano e Chinese taraje Chinese ha wala Nigeria Igbo anin gamen passport yala Nigeria jalante la passport senen tubabu do China Hong Kong Dubai ate ban ajurumol ni ye mude ka fala gamenono so nyimbe kata adama barola mansa kunala kono kabanam ala nyen Congo tamola nyen diplomatic passport bi le savo men dita kana passport di Gambia naka banko dum mi anko bantalan ko lan criminal men ko bur Gambia nyan kana na kaydo ta pour su dunia yayino be Gambia to tinyala yimre dawda Gambia to be jila ndara ngana passport contract ko fana sika jang semlex ngo fana kumbo jande tili jama ndiya mutan mol ndiya mutan alkana ni sign alkana ni contract ko sami semlex imam wala may e kodo no ma grid hadumo tare en contrat ko sign nimbe to albe sene bal jibel idana te la kaytola so say binakan say kana fata ko tunkol ñing plenol men lanta jam e ko plenol wa say ba janu pleno nala ko ko be ngamen fale ni diplomatic passeport ni aji wotumo ye to jama bonde abi ni eastern european la ni russia no ni kazakhstan mo calendar civil wala sharage mbije la rek story fintida ko russia no because biring kilo be kering ukraine kilo be kering bank dunia mo le russia ila tuloni ye sanction le russian oil is on a sanction banku dantan ne o sanction ni ya violate wala kede india wala ko dadi je mani mala ni min do iran ajala anin for tokile malom somewhere anin for qatar ngara wol dul me da keje bar wol muñu banku sembe timal de america ko kuno ma ha wol you know wol ko ken messi wate bari dunia mo be dunia ko la do angleterre ba europe whatever russian oil be kama so in the world market ni molbe wa firo len siro tan ñela tulomu oil market ñela tulomu russian oil ti clair ka fole mo kanyuma so ni tawta ya wa fi ika fole mun sanction busting so dunia be d'accord like gosje gambe jibe ntol we are part of the UN, we are part of the all these organizations ning we have bilateral relationships nin dunia mol ni be ñoko no bakela ndam mamatra lorum faye comme an island ñina bojodo jibe harfo be ka bana EU le ajala FAO jana ajala World Bank jana IMF chum nin dunia bo be ñoko no bakela ntol ma wo so sembo so fo pringa lum faye ka America ko hayte la hajo na hajidi nga fa Europe ko go to hell ko yaalo ya jamelo nyamate diam sifa yo ndol mam fu do level so dunia mole Russia sanction bandiol nara jang inaran to la banko jibe ko ko rasi inalan kon to la mansa ko ndawonte bagasite man na president ko do diata na la mol ni fon dem prim param idunda system ko no inna Gambia use ka tulo sambanan jang essential ka samane na gam petroleum la ka wafi client ma mele West Africa comme Mali tan ani banko dol tan so Russia la tulota ya samana ja ya wafi ntol nyako inara ko do nyinta ya be transport dan dollar la ya bondi banko kan banko mo ma kalamata ko nyinketa fo bira ko nyi wanyata budum parliament député mo na rañu commande pour que la investigation fa ya commencer la même fana fa so bara keta kenem lan kenem mata la kenem bato ko ngal international law ngol tinya we did what we call sanction busting American embassy be sirin jane ba jibela World Bank beje baljibela IMF beje baljibela EU beje baljibela atla wol nyamata la ba wol ya bejele they have all intelligence kuno sembeta meya sembendi akata meya wafe ko do dina be dol wallahi nyini ya be siri diplomacy la rek diplomacy ita fola ibetere dere ne baljibela tan atara ya lolno already ko watul bandi yolet do bandi banko albola fanankan al totinyata alla deputy so tinyata albulma marsi mamma mo dantan mo family dantan wala dantan I gambera ñi represent to tinyata ka banan state ka jina ya ko do be do mani la partner le tarel hajola e gambia bula do ya kono aning reputational damage by participating in sanction busting selling Russian oil on our soils for parliament na dañu inquiry en commandé ya commencé le man na la Fanakita another black marked in our report card. Besiring. Yeah. Kunung asavla bi was on gambe somande news garan babondi. iko pleno dole yolo wa again bidi be Russia sanction la ye ni Belarus sanction nyala la the Belarusian government wo won sa fana ma nyamaro woni Russia la betay ya fana sanction abuka pension abuka plane san no abuka kukeno so ila plenol mini be Belarus man ko ka ila airline ila local carrier the local airlines plane ko kire problem de abuka plane san no because ni be sanction ko no America abuka plane wa fama Europe fana abuka plane wa fama bobe na anin jana anin Airbus ni nan the two major passenger airline old so wolta hafilem so plane ko ila airline batakang plane ko la itara company do so ka fa magic for magic air malo wolle ko plane wa filema bo magic air yara fam wol plane la meri be bulu Gambia to la bidje ko Gambia plane wala so ye Gambia use yen to use ndro mantara sanction kono mantara prolong kono yen tul to ta ya use ak plane o bala yalla wota kala consent ita kala consent damande moment do moroke hani man sa tawla sino dilela damande man joroke jelo jo malo bare ngalan ko frinde or man sire ke kungete e Gambia to use ka Gambia to use ka pleno register to yalla I don't think they are that stupid so bari ya register to yalla la sa mbiri iba wafikan Belarus ma inaran Gambia contact le ka fe ko mbeni plane wafikan ten Belarus ma bu dunia mo nara kalamta through Reuters news one of the top dunia la top news wala yin ko nyin kalamre nada ko nyin check ye fansu boñam commande jang ay jabi ko hesa ya commande le ya inform le ko ha ñu magic air la ñu plane wol e be wafikan jalalma Ukraine ma astaghfirullah Belarus banko man ko is under sanction Gambian planes so abe nyamin say abelari nyamin say Gambia dollal ko astaghfirullah so the way it is saying abela ko ndol saying ndol dunia yala fon wala ne sanction lo ko wala ndol Gambia ndol le sanction to ndol malbela da to point ko mkara pleno nga wa fi Belarus ma même manyan hani France hayla menkel jamet hayla menkel Spain hayla menkel Italy hayla menkel ndol na nga pleno se ka saying ka wa fi pleno me register en total ko wa fi Belarus ma sanction country bi wala fedda ye fansu bojan commandi ako yes ko ya inform la duma lo sign duma lo lansino di la mune ke Gambia Airland yimbi mo kodolde abe kodolo joto je fo akada da mimbi a jota duma la ko dum maybe ala arama baru boron kula na molon sayende ni mi ayina nga ike fana batan kando do tasise be jana bina lay ay ko be falam fala ko do fo ita na mi keri so amanjere fa ngam fang batan ni gonko investigate ha bari ñin si ma be keri e ñing register Gambia to la samena e jelle jo Gambia masukunda ya duma la receive bank account dumalam akodo tara dumal ya bref account ko no ha ubi be senel ha ndolto mbo senel la fa senel set nimme bandiya ke ngene dunia di ñolon ko fela ko dolde ndem ha hada sire ndem bro ma sim mamma to be sire jela no masakunda kutu wa kanam blodu nyama ko ndo manyen kalamata me yake hanana ha ndende ina e deal simple akele Gambia to la be je bar ndul ma bulala ha wala kala ndol defengela ba inu dunia mo ba addi yalla la ñolal kendeke so wo mu problem baldi Gambia la to la karola especially ñina dañi airline ko airline fana ma fansu dunia dolte airline will operate on a different because airline there's a lot of safety risks, a lot of terrorism from quoting so many things when it comes to airline or pre-certify nini nata finde control kanyu bandia si fa leke sorry dunia airline nata si inara Gambia la quota yajale amanna inara Gambia la quota seriously asim badan no fen jamala da ha isim blacklist no ajala yena lansuna be kuntu sa en plein de jira jang comme men ke bisaw isa kenon fana na ha plein be na be daiba be ta Sénégal sa nyime be tamala ita Sénégal nyime be han jane wara be so nyimbe sikeno nyimma hakilto because it is siga ba ande man ka makalamata ande man fende mo jeten ande ha but it's in your name. It's in your name. Gambela. So, molkata sinjay ka fair banko tola. Ajal. Ako, nyinko nyara ko, do we have any information on the incorporating document of this company, Magic Air? Ako fo mole any information on for the Magic Air fo nyara kera Gambian company leba. Ma kala muta, ma moy. Ndana mana nyintu ho mana dunya ko. Asike. Iya la company register jane ma mo ma kala muta. Eko full airline lam Magic Air ma kalamuta ndo den tamana na to moja but c'est possible no ha par ngalan ko amanta silala akidale clandestinely wala na afudata dunia kibaru man do fa ma kalamuta fo gamel ñu sul fa da ya su do mole bul e fa na ya fo so ndo be serin janem fa nga moy mol la bandalan ko Reuters news standard ya moy wolto standard ya safe wason gambe fa ya safe so ñine be kering o fanan keda reputational damage bati menango malo be dana dame asi serious no asi keno promote bila fintita ngaji o fanan dunya mul bo fanan no mala nyami manata na ñing company be ñing gamen company be pleno wa fila Belarus sa gambe man sukana be ñing ko ñing jabila nyami abi bulije ha the last part jani nga bojang menka bankol reputation of fanan batande ko nga fala nyami kabiro diplomatic passport nga to si fa dije ngalan ko nyim banko sayin après tele pour bandiya kendeke adama malam fataka understand bang faka mi la komi nyimu just fat la dilo la de fe sore de teketen like I don't think he understands the implications, like the diplomatic ramifications of this some of these actions. And then kafa ko makalamuta hani president Teo excuse in this kind of things. No, it's too complicated, it's too sophisticated. Kafa ko president makalamuta mo nyama ma yen ta kusifa tamani yen dil sifa tamani jang yen lansin sifa di jang president makalamuta. So nta excuse no la, unless a commission comes later on, I prove ko amakalamata. But at this point, I will call a proof kafa ko atema ning kalamuro la man understanding sort of anything. Nto use then, honey. Hanare man kara mari man fengetang. These things cannot just pass you. They must come to your office at some point. You have to give some kind of, consent for these things to happen. So I'm not going to observe him. Kafa ko excuse me, I'm alone, honey. No. That cannot work on this one. So last, Watson Gambi again. You want to come back. Science couldn't yeah. So somebody asked you, where did his soul planes go? Akwai plane minu wafi. Ibota mindole. Mama le bora dami. Kari bandra Gambeja. But be dunia karo bela. Be dunia karo somewhere. Pleno mantra Gambe jang, Gambe man plane, but pleno be Gambe to el. So it only yentola mo commander ya fuera ko ngani wafile abanta. Yema wafi maje fo ko man fi manam bang. Khalas. Well. Anyway, so last moment la jani ngara science Watson Gambe do fanam break science ye fenne fo jay ko. Banko do ga me Kazakhstan fanam be Russia jele. Fanam ñu bandi banko do. Kazakhstan, according to the UN Comtrade database, UN la comme United Nations la Comtrade wala dunia la trade bankol ni bankol tema safaro membe tema julia membe tema sandiro ni wafiro membe bankol tema dunia karobela ila database wala comme ila kibar bunda ika information be ma bodami fofu ne fe wafi moma gambe dunia kono ja be kataro aka fenti world. Kazakhstan wala kita ñing banko di ñing membe Russia balaje la bandiya sa bag wala nata report ko ñing 2020 ñing santambila iko de they sold itulla inen Gambia temo e fo men sang Gambia bulu e bagaso men sang Gambia bulu atata kanyang dollar kodo billion tankoronto anin kirin 2.9 sorry billion fula anin million keme koronto 2.9 billion dollars e ko yoro sang Gambia bulu Kazakhstan ñim paro da ñina last party nak so asimbalale beñu folo la fay jina correct ngana buña ñimbe munam komi Gambia to be tinyaka nyamenten mbole splinga pro ya faham mini batna to be tinyaka bandiyala mini be tamakan ana to kuya nyinga bina man toro min laran tol be kan jang ate mo karla menka to kuya kos met na bisawa bi nyanen ka bisawa is example bari bisawa fon be ka bu Gambia ila duro ila dulino mano everything poro be bulu jere ko poro en fana bu nyame nyaaje mol buka hanyila poro la kulul buka sembi la poro to e toti nyalam Gambia fana na toti nyabi futaka level wal nyimma hakilto asina si hanim biskito alta jala mba honja nala nim bandiya futaka level do nyim kanim say nyim bandiya man tambinde Kazakhstan ndol man feñ soto ndol man kudu ñokon outwardly ñiko diplomatically mala be da enfa wolko ñin san tambilia there's a $2.1 billion bentara kanya was 140 something billion dollars a worth of product equal sang Gambia bulu ndol ndol mango hani kandio mukada hani macho mukada hani carrot nga bona Senegal sweet pepper Senegal kaddi Senegal so bango mga sweet pepper macho kandio ndo barko mo fo dinno ndol kon tolle wa firoke Kazakhstan ma $2.1 billion according to UN Comtrade database Western Gambia public science ya janga nyim fojang say ko nga bagasol minisan ko machinery including those machineries wala nuclear reactor to membe la morela mini nuclear reactor ti e ko lo use pour ka nuclear bomb dada Kazakhstan ko yo san dolobul $880 million worth of machinery and nuclear reactor dunia mo be ñoo fala nuclear problem wala jang Iran America hena ko nuclear problem saying Kazakhstan control dole nuclear reactor wa fito subhanallah bangol fele la fara kelo American Iran fele sami bina ñomala because of nuclear reactor problem Kazakhstan said $880 million worth of dollars fanko ngol wa fi machinery including nuclear reactors from the Gambia sold to Kazakhstan. We also sold them vehicles. We sold them aircrafts, $4 million worth of aircraft. We sold them minerals, iron fuel, and we also sold them rubber, fole rubber. Sai, Kazakhstan ko yene santul bul. Iko nuclear reactors, machinery, vehicles, aircraft, minerals that we don't have, rubber that we don't have, vehicles that we don't have, nuclear reactors that we don't even dream of having. We don't even have uranium in the first place to do anything. And at the tune of 2.191 billion. This was reported in the UN Comtrade database. What's on Gambia pool? Not right now. So let me break this down. So what this means, because right now everybody's confused. What the hell? Like, why would Kazakhstan say they bought this from us? Like, why? And we don't have it. So why is this even there? So what is happening here? I might be wrong. Maybe there are other people that are smarter than me, but this is what I am getting at. Basically classical money laundering. Kakodo move. Nala jibe Kazakhstan muna di aka oil le produce. Bari la oil beka wa fumana la bandiya oil lam jama. abe muning clandestine tulole ngata kulon reteng eka sanction ol fanki ajel ni ko sanction o jang ito le sanction ol bypass ajel ya wa fi banku doma ajel so ni be jola comme ni oil deal free comme let's say oil deal la banku ni bari you have to it ko be tulo samana jang basa ni la ko be findi kan kata ko ni sonda ka siya bakala e baka nyomo ya kasma samba back to Kazakhstan because one of the main bandits men kan Russian oil afia so ni oil furmo ditela men ko sanction oil lam ya clandestine fengere ya la flag change kulu la fengote ya ditela saying if you sell it now you have to repatriate this money back to the owners of the oil yela domanenta ila kota banku yala kota yeto la profito yete la kudo murnima but so kudo ni murninya ndita kenola ndi as a company let's say Boka Jammeh and Sons I cannot do it some guy name whatever cannot do it you need a major company or guess what you need a government a central bank that's willing and a government that's willing so we act like we are the government selling Kazakhstan nuclear reactors. How many? Oh, $800 million. Oh, $300 million, $500 million, pump. So it's from us to them. So the oil comes this way, dirty oil. We sell it to Mali, Guinea-Bissau, whatever, Guinea-Conakry, or whatever, Burkina Faso. Okay? The dollar is here now. Now the dollar has to go back to Russia or Kazakhstan. But dollar cannot go like that. You cannot put dollar in a bag and take. So what do? You wash it. Oh God. Like, you bandi level the regular Gambian cannot comprehend this. Maybe I'm just even wasting my time. I don't think you guys are even getting me. This new Korea level the regular people can see this. This is beyond bandi kenseng. New top necktie, suit and tie, president bandi yalain. New level dole. Money laundering. So you got vehicles. So now I need to pay this person. I feel okay. So we say okay, government supplied, the government of Kazakhstan, $6 million worth of machinery. Tough transfer from this entity to that entity. I tell a bank ngajoro hela. But so jore nyen wena ata karadola. Ajele. Ban yole la cross on the other side. It fan yela kuka on the other side. Then yela bank will use as a chune. Come chagando. You understand? Be defengele rek. So in Africa, I want to buy aircraft $4 million. Now, could be Larinja. But I cannot send the money like that to Kazakhstan because they are on a sanction. I cannot send it to Russia, they are on a sanction. What do? They can even give me an account number somewhere. Oh yeah, so the receipt, basically the transaction is gonna say we bought nuclear tractors or aircrafts or minerals. I sold minerals to Kazakhstan. What minerals? I don't know. I sold them rubber. Where's rubber in Gambia? There's no rubber here. Rubber is in Ivory Coast and Liberia. But we sold rubber. It's an UN system, so don't think I'm crazy. We, Gambia, that don't have nothing. We are selling all these items. Export. We are exporting, they're importing from us. This is the data up there. This is what's captured in the UN Comtrade. So the UN system, UN professionals are saying and look at it like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Who are you? I know you. You have nothing. I have my UN office in Gambia. I'm sponsoring all your agriculture projects in Gambia. You have nothing. In this UN system, I'm doing UNDP projects in Gambia. In Santongo, I've been in UNDP project. So I am sponsoring all your projects in Gambia. You are poor. You have nothing. So, but in the system, in the UN contract database, is showing you and Kazakhstan are doing business. You're selling $2.91 billion to Kazakhstan. Where's the profit? Why am I wasting my time in Gambia? If you have this much money, why am I digging boreholes in Jara as UNDP? So it's like you were swimming, like I said, you're backside, you do a banda, by the time it is nukundin. Again, nukundin. So I like Gambia Bandia level of South Diamond sign. Dunia will be see by Jibel Jelala at level Nyamata. So you think you're smart. whoever did this deal amade fe ala kudo sila tala hajula ba asma tele pampa dilo ke Gambia be sino man ngala bugo de tibiga Gambian sino ni wol dañ jela bari ma ya fentita finidal wala fentini well wason Gambia fere nyami alon ko modo fan be sirakan akara duma la masakunda kono Adam Barrow Mosi ni kena Adam banyak kalam ada bang ab ko lay balal ko lay baki he has to unless you and be nyamati yalla be sino la wala be they hallucinating but ñim number they are not foolish numbers so duma like who is doing it ida not ma kalama defana at the international stage excuse you can the box stops at you the president. Wala finance minister like wala director of ngapati GMPs wala no. It's not going to fly. Kujawa be adama kunada. Ha. Malo ay fambula ñu ko ñaming malo mu musi fala ba bala. Malo how Adama Gambia came to this point. After all mole membe kele jang ndol say ndol be ñim place old look at this nonsense. So this is classical money laundering ka fene ko do ko ni ko do ko be ko mi lay yata yelo ñim batu da kam ngeten ha give me $10 I gave you $100 then what ñim ka fene classical money laundering ko do furo na essence furo tende ya fenke yana ko do ñim murundi baña ka murundi daming through the banking system aka koleale, so you have to use these ways. Nala cross last part comme money laundering and banking they go hand in hand. Ngamne falen ka ko jani ya jamesi banko mi jamani bank sabanani si sai bedami ñinam bank tang anim flol bi jang 12 banks bank tang anim flol more than Senegal, maybe twice more than Senegal. 12 banks ñi banko mesen dindi pour ka yeda nako money laundering ka tama ñame yalla nana fa ko ñi bank sol be man tara fena janam ngi bandiyat ñi bank tanim fulo man tara conventional banking na men ko be tala janne ka Boubacar ñol ning Essa ñol ning Omar ñol ma koy pour yeke business manoti ka julol dila e ka ta fawol say ka sambana ka senoke ka kudo murundi economy e tama ñi man nawla jand yalla ngolo ñame okay ibena jang inara mena jang wala bandiyade ka kudo ku moliya wala si jang ba adam ya jamela bandiya kana Gambia yele ni mena relation la ko e si ibena rebe yela banko yela jang ko e katara jabe survive ka imam boy sa jelu bank tanim fala bi jang ila customer le so ngamenke voilà mo be nyanta menke la mo wala kan tara research. When I did my research, there's a website called Remit Scope. Remit Scope will give you banco what percentage of that country will be in the banking system, carefully financial inclusion. So you guys can open your Googles and then have it, research. What is the banking inclusiveness of the Gambia? What percentage? Guess what? 33%. 33%. Wala be Gambia la banking system ko na Gambia dingol menan ko be banking na fembe bulu fu fananka tak account ele fananka dalas tankilim bu saje itara every neighborhood jani but ni fananta la neighborhood ja yenyim ko dal bu sa fo mano kan ja momé bank account so na mani mo sa bosi mebo nyam albe melon jang amang sia. So when they did the Gambia checking, Gambia score is 33% of financial inclusivity. ECO is getting better, 1%, 2% increments here and there because of the waveland and column money and wallet system or APS wallet ngapati. But traditional conventional banking system with mortar and brick and mortar, like actual banking houses, 33% are banking. If you take a 2.5 million population, Okay? Okay, remember, the population includes everybody. Musol, Dinduol, Mesamal, Memam, Vinci, everything. Yebe Kafunyoma. Okay? Gambian population by 2, I take 2.5. So 33% of 2.5 Gambians, Atara Kanyang, 825,000 people that are in the banking system. Like I said, again, I took the whole 2.5 million. Now go 2.5 million, the limit under the age of 18, I drew more them. Meron Parliament, they are over 70 years old, I drew more them. Okay? It's an alarming but anyway, I took the whole number, okay, and I divided it into 12. Sorry, 8, okay, yeah, 33%, 825,000 people total. Wo 825,000 wal bele be banking nakasa. So in bank 12 will be all the 12 banks are gonna get customers from this 825,000 people. It could be less, it could be more. In those customers share with it, those customers share with it, but on average, they are all taken from this pool of Gambians. This 825,000 people. These are the people in the banking system. Out of 2.5 million people, 33% according to Remit score. Okay, we'll look at track how the countries are banking. So that 825,000 people that are in the banking system, I went ahead again, I divided that sum by 12 banks. These are the pool. So on average, 12 banks. Each bank is now having 68,000 customers. Now, which bank in their right mind is going to come from Nigeria or whatever they come from, okay? And come and shut up shop in the Gambia for less than 70,000 customers. Doesn't make sense. La. It doesn't make sense. Yes, sometimes you have people with multiple accounts. They might have an EcoBank account. They have a Trust Bank. They have blah, blah. Yes, it's all possible. But the numbers don't make sense. It's not that much of a number for these people to leave that thing in Nigeria and then come and open up shop here. FIB Bank, NIB Bank, whatever. First National Party Bank, EcoBank. You know, Trust, GT Bank, Zenith Bank. You know, Bloom Ngapati. All of these things. For what? For what? And lo and behold, when the Russian oil came, the sanctioned busting Russian oil that was smuggled here and sold here, and then the money repatriated to Russia through illegal means, of course. Which bank was the one participating? I think it was Bloomberg, if I'm not correct. If I get my facts right, I think it was Bloomberg or Access Bank, one of these two. Yes. They participated in that transaction. So this is what they do. So they are here not for you and I as business people, helping businesses grow, get loans, invest in the country, invest in capital projects, and make money over time, slowly, okay, and steadily. No. They are not here for conventional banking. That's a given. They're here for something else. And you can also feel it. You can feel money laundering if you're smart. When this influx happens, new company being at the baby and immediately you start exactly. Immediately now you start seeing property values going crazy. Now you ask somebody, small piece of land here, Burfu says 2 million. You go to Burfu has 16 million, 20 million. If a simple, nice bungalow, finished bungalow, somebody built it, 20 million, 17 million, 18 million. Gambian property values getting more and more expensive than the United States. Gambian some property values, some land here, land is costing more than a whole house in Texas or Tennessee or Atlanta. Just land here, Caribbean, when you're somewhere here or whatever, or no, look, behind embassy. So on 20 by 20, it was 16, 17, $18 million. That's what, well over, close to $200,000. You put that in America, you get a house. So Gambia is now becoming to that level. You see somebody building a waterfront property. Okay, you go there, average house $250,000, $270,000. Okay, and then where's the average salary of the country? $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. Apartments are selling for $250,000. Okay, who is buying this? You wonder. You go to these apartments, sometimes you see very few cars that are parked. All the windows are closed, the lights are off. There's nobody there. But then they will tell you, what? So you see, you go to those apartments, you see it's all nearly empty. You understand? And then you say, who is buying it? You start wondering, where are they? But then it's all sold out. Remember? Oh yeah, it's sold out. Blah, blah, blah. First phase sold out. Something waterfront, blah, blah, blah. It's all sold out. Okay? Yeah, it's sold out, but where are the people? Where are the kids running? Where are the families that are living in this? When I go there, do I see people going up and down? Movement happen. Like, does it look like these are people, Gambians that are living here, enjoying their lives, enjoying this nice sea view? No. It's all empty, lonely, and quiet. But it's sold out. Sold out, keys closed, owners somewhere in the world. We don't know. It could be, I don't know. It could be anybody. So the money is tight now. The money is tied down now. Anytime that apartment is sold, the money has now come from whatever source it came from. Now it went through the system. It's filtered through the apartments, right? To those beachfront properties, those big mansions, blah blah blah, in Brooklyn Heights. The money has now cleaned up. Now it's real money. It's profits from real estate. So it came here as whatever came. I don't know where it came from. Apartments are bought. Okay, there's no financial control system to check Gambia's system. So it comes, it filters out here as real money, clean money, goes out into the banking system, and then there you go. So that's the purpose. All these things you are seeing here, 4 million, you go to tough, blah, blah, simple house, little bungalow, slope, $4 million. Are you mad? Who's buying this? Okay? And every person working in diaspora, America, working, a nurse or whatever, computer engineer or something like that, to put together money like $20, $30 million just to buy a house here. It's going to be very, 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 I wouldn't say impossible, but a very, tall order. So if I'm not buying it in Gambia, my salary is $10,000, $12,000. My brother in America is making $50,000 a year, $60,000 a year. All my cousins are in America. My other friends is in Barque working in the potato fields of Spain or Italy, somewhere out there, making minimum wage. Okay, I have some friends in Scotland doing their thing. Okay, but so where's the money? Where is the $200,000? Who? Okay, but these apartments are getting sold. See, big sign. Oh, sold out. Sold out to who? So, like I said, this is a level of money laundering and stuff like that that the typical Gambian cannot see. And most likely, if you talk about it, they will say you are jealous. That's the first thing. Oh, I can't live in here. Okay, you balal hustle ni na kunega sa sa word sakla da ni amazing hale do lijante. These are the kind of stuff you keep hearing. That's why I don't like to discuss it with Gambians that much, because they wouldn't get what you're trying to say. Instead, they will label you as the jealous one. And they don't know their own poverty that they are living in right now. It's a result of this system. And how you will know? I'll tell you guys one thing here before I leave. I'm almost done. How do you know the system is messed up? The reputation is gone. Bankola reputation at financially. Gambia, There's no company in this country, there's no entity in this country, there's no business in this country that you can buy something from using a major credit card, like Visa card or MasterCard. Not a single company. You cannot send anybody money in this country, in this jurisdiction of this country, in the banking system of this country with a credit card. So let's say I have my factory, I'm selling coconut or coconut water, okay? I have a big plantation. Abdul is in Spain, he wants to buy coconut from me. I said, okay, fine, go to my website, you can buy. It's right there. Go to PayPal or credit card. Swipe it. As long as the payment clears in my account, I'll send you your coconut water. Simple transaction. Newsflash. Gambia can't do it. There's no company in Gambia that can do that. Senegal, yes, you can. You can go swipe your card, buy something in Senegal, it will be sent to you to that account because their financial system is running on basically standard world order, standard norms. Ours is a banana system of bandits, and the world knows it. See, they wouldn't say, they will just keep quiet. See, the Western, you know, the rest of the world wouldn't come. It's not like no. But now you, if it like a company, you come here. I know a company that is a software company. They're in Gambia. They cannot get contracts from American companies or any Western European company. No, you have to have a company in America. When they want to make payments, they pay that company in America, or they pay that company in Germany. Your workers can be here. They can work, do whatever they in Gambia, but they cannot get paid here by bank transfers or credit card systems. That's how low, that's how basically out of touch our financial system is, because it's ridden with, it's like a, what do you call it, as a money laundering destination when it comes to finance. So anybody can lie to you, anybody, they can tell you anything they want. Tell them, can you make a credit card payment to the Gambia? No company can do it. Yes, you can go to Coco Ocean, pay by credit card. You can do that, Coco Ocean, but they are tied to where? Somewhere in Morocco or somewhere. So that's why that card you swipe, the machine just here physically, but the transaction is not happening in Gambia. For tourists, of course, for convenience, they swipe it, yeah. But the Gambian banks are not taking care of the money. That money is going to UK, from there, or whatever country the Coco Ocean is registered in. From there, they can repatriate the money here, whatever, in other ways, but not payments by credit card. Zero. So businesses here that are selling stuff, they're all going to suffer because of this. Their visibility will be limited. They cannot do trade as they should be doing trade. They cannot expand as they wish. But they don't want to go through all this trouble of paying here, blah, blah. They just want to sit there in peace. You want to buy their handbag, buy the handbag, I sell it to you through DHL. Easily. Credit card system, because that, it ensures credibility, because they know that if you use a credit card, you buy that bag, the bag better be there. Because if not, there will be consequences. And in Gambia, there's no consequence. There's no mechanisms to have consequences if you scam somebody. So, wala mundi bandiya. So we are living in a Bandi Banco, overseen by Adama Barrow. Atela legacy, unfortunately, all of these things will have to basically be answered one day. You know, it's not his fault that we have 12 banks now. Yes, that's not him, that's Jammeh's time. But I'm just telling you the decline that Gambia went through from Jawara to now. From 1 or 2 banks, visa-free travel to UK, respect everywhere, Commonwealth membership, we can go at any country we want, blah, 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 to just basically like another North Korea, struggling to get a simple, you know, yeah. So this is it. These are the ning banko mantra ka nyama bandia federal banko nga akanyin mantura sifala la banko ka. So last area til na famen kachala wala kata nying Kazakhstan la nying ko mi wa fi Gambia ma at the tune of 2.9 billion dollars. How? I don't know. I have no idea. We don't sell any of these products, but unfortunately, we did, according to the UN data, UN Comtrade, published by the Watson Gambia. You guys can go and private check on your own, okay? And I believe it's a classical case of money laundering. They bring their product, or money gets here somehow through petrol to whatever it is, Kazakhstan, petrol. Then we repatriate the money. But how do you repatriate it? You use an excuse, an alibi. Like you bought something from one government to another government and supplied it. So this is it. You know, I think this is tied to money laundering. I think our banking system is fragile and is susceptible to these kind of practices. And I think the confidence in the international markets towards our country has dwindled, has basically severely been damaged to a point that we are basically cut off from regular international transactions, banking transactions. And having 12 banks serving 825,000 people is inconceivable. It's something that we cannot really, nobody can justify. So why are the 12 banks here? What are they doing here? To me, I think it's part of the cartel, the money laundering cartel. Yeah. Do I have any substantial evidence to put it on the table? No. These are my intuitions, and I believe them. So it's up to you. Use your own judgment. And this is why it's so important to rescue this country by all means possible. Let's get this country back on track. We are losing ground. Time is now on our side. Our reputation is getting battered and damaged by the day. And we just cannot keep going like this. These are two dangerous scandals. Imagine a nuclear reactor, some machinery being bought from us. What have we done to do? What have we to do with nuclear reactors? These are dangerous products. Why should they be on our books? Like we supplied these things to Kazakhstan. These are dangerous things. We cannot risk this. We don't have that kind of resources to be in this much of a of a quagmire. We don't have time for this. We are too fragile as a country. Too fragile for this kind of scandals. Aeroplanes being registered in our name, being sold to a sanctioned country. Come on. Anyway, thank you guys. I think I've spent way more time here than I probably normally do because of the severity of some of these topics. We'll have we'll all digest through this and see what's coming. Hope everything goes well. But we all need to do better and get rid of this government. Get these people out of there. There's no other way to put it. It's not even politics. Because everything I mentioned here, see, I didn't even mention UDP one time. Once. I didn't mention politics one time. I didn't mention NPP one time. For almost an hour plus I'm talking. I did not, you guys all my witnesses. I did not mention any political party for once. But everybody listening here, whether you're MPP or you're GPP or whatever PP, this is real. This is getting real. It's not about party anymore. It's about you, your children. What kind of country are they going to live in? A respectful country where their passport is worth something, or basically a rogue bandit country where basically we are cut off from the everything international. Traveling. I mean, see, they want to, right now they're planning on bringing back, 300 or 3,000 of our people. We don't even know who those people are. Because nobody can sit here and tell me those are Gambians. They might just have our Gambian passports, but they might not be us. Now our government has to go there and say, yes, these are Gambians. Because every passport that says you're a Gambian, you're a Gambian. Yeah. We can deal with it when we come back here. But it is what it is. The paper say you're Gambian, you're Gambian. Could be a Chinese, could be a Russian, Kazakhstan, Belarus, you know, one of those messed up European, Eastern European countries. But they're Gambians. We also have diplomatic passports issued by Tangara and them, 3,000 of them. 3,000 diplomatic passports in a small, tiny country like this. Where are all these diplomats? Who are they? Anyway, thank you guys. I'll see you guys another time if I have something important to talk about. Eid Mubarak, and you all have a good night. Hope you enjoyed your little together. May Allah bless all of us and forgive our shortcomings and accept our deeds, our sincere deeds, inshallah. Thank you guys. Allah barak. Bye.